Hi folks, welcome. Today let's learn about Addigy policies. What are they? What are we looking at here? Well, what we see here is what's called a global policy and some companies beneath this global policy. And more importantly, what's occurring here is called inheritance. So any items that I add up here, such as software, monitoring, maintenance, MDM profiles, if I add them up here, they will be inherited by these bottom level policies below, but not vice versa, right? Think of this as a parent-child relationship. If I add something at the top here, it will trickle down below, right? But if I add something here, it'll remain there, right? Now, what is it exactly that I mean when I say inheritance? What can be inherited? Whenever you select any of your policies and you look on the left-hand side, you'll see updates, assets such as profiles, software, users, compliance, and user applications. You can determine and decide which of these settings here you'd like to apply at the top level for all of your policies to receive, or you can directly apply it at a bottom level policy so that it only applies to this selected policy. All right? Thank you for watching.